Okay, Renee Harper here. Just wanted to document sort of the floor plan of this camper. So it has double bunks. So this folds out into a full. This folds out into a full, believe it or not. But we'll probably just put foam rollouts the size of a twin up there. And then, I'm going to put a curtain here. So this is more of like a master suite, if you will. And then over here, same thing. Although the bottom dinette folds out into really just a little bit larger than a twin. So I'll be making cushions for those, and I already did the measurements for that. I'll be doing curtains, took the measurements for that. And then the top one is just a little bit bigger than a twin as well. So that's why we bought this one. There is no bathroom, but the fact that it could sleep potentially 2, 4, 6, 7 people is a huge plus. You'll see the floor. They went ahead and prepped that for us. We're going to go ahead and install some hardwood flooring, which will be, I think, really, really cool in here. I'm going to go to the outside here and just show you. We're going to need to replace the original, or fix the original Shasta step. So there's a little bit of welding that we're going to have to do. We'll have to shine it up. And then as you can see, the bolts go through the floor. So it looks like order of operations for that is going to be to replace those bolts, do the welding, do whatever repairs need to be done on the step first, replace this threshold with diamond tread. But that's going to be obviously after the floor goes in. So step, fix the bolts, floor, then tread plate to go over it. So they were very helpful in making sure that we knew that that's what had to be done. So they're going to be fixing all of the body work here. Anything with a puncture, they're going to Bondo it, sand it, make sure it's prepped for paint. We're going to paint it ourselves. You can kind of see that there's an indentation here. That is not going to get fixed. We'd have to rip out the closet and get to the siding itself to actually punch that out. So, that's just a blemish that's going to stay. And I think that's okay. It's going to just add character. I think we haven't decided on the stripe yet. We're not quite sure what we're going to do with that, but we do know that we're painting all the exterior. So that is it for now.